Okay, the next example is how to develop multi-level inheritance. Next example என்னன்னா நம்மளுக்கு வந்து மல்டி லெவல் இன்ஹெரிட்டன்ஸ் எப்படி டெவலப் பண்ண போறோம் அதுதான் இதுல வந்து சொல்ல போறாங்க. இதுல பாருங்க, see this structure. Here found one derived class. That one derived class interact with one base class. That base class interact with another base class. So B is a base class for class C. B is a derived class for class A. Very clear? Class C का यार base class ना class B. Class B की यार base class class A. Class A ओड derived class यार class B. Class B ओड derived class यार class C. So இதுதான் வந்து நம்ம இங்க சொல்ல போறது. So this is called as the grandparent, parent, child. Class C called as child. Class B called as parent. Class A called as grandparent. So we should make an object to the least derived class. This is one of the rule. So I should make object to child class only. Okay. Now we will entering into the program coding. Okay. See here. Here found the title is how to develop multi-level inheritance. Okay, good. Here I try to make one class with one constructor and one method. That class name is called as grandparent. Okay. Next I want try to make second class. That class name is called as parent with one method. Here not found constructor and destructor. Okay. So here I try to make a third class. That third class name is called as child. This child class develops one method and one destructor. Okay. This is called as method, this is called as destructor. You know that. So first class like grandparent class helps to develop constructor, I mean the overload constructor and then addition method. Second class like a parent class try to develop subtract method. Third one class like child class helps to develop multiplication method and then destructor special method. Okay, now we should now how to make relationship between unrelated class. We should now how to make relationship between unrelated classes. See here, the child interact with parent class already we are developed. Previously we should develop the parent class. Okay. So here the child derived class interact with the parent base class. Okay. The parent base class interact with the grandparent base class. See here, before I should make grandparent base class. Grandparent class becoming a base class when I create a derived class to grandparent class. Grandparent class becoming a base class when create derived class to grandparent class. Grandparent class வந்துட்டு எப்போ ஒரு base class ஆகும் எனில் எப்போ இந்த grandparent class இந்த grandparent classக்கு ஒரு derived class create பண்றோமோ that time onwards grandparent class becoming a base class. When create derived class to grandparent class, that time onwards grandparent class becoming a base class until this is one of the separate class. அதாவது இப்போ grandparent ஒரு class இருக்குது. இந்த grandparent class எப்போ base class ஆகும்னா இந்த கிராண்ட் பேரண்ட் கிளாஸுக்கு ஒரு டெரிவேட்டிவ் கிளாஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா மட்டும்தான் இந்த கிராண்ட் பேரண்ட் கிளாஸ் என்ன கிளாஸ் ஆயிடுமா, பேஸ் கிளாஸா மாறிடும். Still till parent class is a derived class to grandparent base class. See here, next child derived class make parent class as a base class. child derived class தான் என்ன பண்ணுது, parentன்னு ஒரு கிளாஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த கிளாஸை பேஸ் கிளாஸா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுது. So here child derived class convert parent class into base class until parent class consider as derived class. இப்போ இந்த இதுவே இல்லைன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சும்மா ஓகேவா, you just consider in this okay, still till parent is a derived class, grandparent is a base class, that's all. But this statement found that parent class has dual role. Parent class has dual role. One is base class for child class. Another one, parent class becoming a derived class for grandparent class. Parent class act in two roles. Parent class has two roles. One is derived class for grandparent and base class for child class. Okay, now see here, this is parent class. Here I try to make derived class. Here I try to make derived class to grandparent. Here I try to make derived class to parent class. So now I try to make object to child class. Since child class can access parent class properties, parent class can access grandparent class properties. So I can access these things and these things and these things one and only by child class object. Are you clear? So sir, in case I make object to parent class, then what are the properties I can access? If you are make object to parent class, then you can access parent class properties and base class properties. You can't access parent class object, you can't access parent class object through, you can't access parent class object parent class object can't access child class properties. Are you clear? Grandparent object can't access parent and child classes properties. So if you are make object to parent object, if you are make object to parent class, then parent class object can access parent class properties and grandparent class properties only. Parent class object can't access child class properties. So this is the definition. இப்போ நான் ஒரு